least I found the key.
That's right.
Did you find the key?
Yeah, it's on his key ring.
He's looking there.
I mean, he only has like 20 on there, and the first one I tried was.
Where are we going, John?
Fletcher, North Carolina, Big Adventures. Pick up some BONAFIDE kayaks.
Show us what you got there, Finley.
Well, we landed on the, I don't know, it was incredible. We stopped, and it was the Little Debbie, just Xanadu of all places. Xanadu. Walk in, they had a Little Debbie's, I haven't had since I was a kid. The peanut butter crunches. I used to love these. And if you're really good at eating these, you can eat the peanut butter on the outside and leave, excuse me, you eat the chocolate on the outside, and you can leave the peanut butter on the inside. That takes a lot of skill, a lot of years of practice.
That sounds like Little Debbie Pro Staff right there.
That's a pro staff move.
Or you can have pickled sausage.
But the Valentine's cakes,
It's gonna stink in here in a minute.
don't.
Need help backing that thing up, John?
Thanks, buddy.
Big Adventures, getting our BONAFIDE stuff done. I'm paying up for what I owe, and I was a little short on the change. And it turns out Lucas said he's got 6 cents. So I'm thinking invisibility is what I would choose. And I don't know what Lucas has. He's not telling me what his sense is, but I would really like to know what your superpower is.
I know you always put me on the spot. I'm sorry.
So he's not sharing it.
Finlay's the king of dad jokes, Lucas.
Well, he was saying 6 cents, and we're sponsored by Berkeley, so there's that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Good job, boys.
See, the camera guy does do something.
Thanks, Big Adventures. And thank you, Big Adventures. Thank you, BONAFIDE for your donations to help Real Heroes. Glad to help veterans with what you've done for us, we'll do for others, so thank you very much.
Yeah, looking forward to get out on the water.
Here you are. And don't forget, join the Hearts of Honor Club. To donate monthly in Real Heroes donor box or Freeport Homes donor box.
And
Love to
register
have
for
you.
the event.
You are my heart of honor. You too, John. As he shuts the door.
You know,